go. All right. This is Helicopter Park. And what you're looking at is a Huey from Vietnam. Harry, what you know about this Huey? Look at that. All the names of people lost in Vietnam. All these bricks. And there's Harry's profile he always uses. So this is a tribute to all the missing in action. It's a Vietnam Veterans Memorial. These are all the people. Let's see these are all the people from our county that we live in now that were in Vietnam who passed. So this is amazing, all these bricks. Let's take a look from the other side. And here you go. Here's in memory of veterans of the Korean War. Some more. Neat stuff, huh, guys? Just wanted to share that real piece of history with y'all for all those real veterans out there and family of real veterans. We appreciate your service.